EVERYDAYEDEALS crafts. Welcome back if you've been before. Hi, if this is your first time, thanks for popping over. I've got my candle lit. This is my vanilla and sandalwood one for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts or positivity. I have now got a shelf built over there with all my candles on, so hopefully I don't set anything on fire. Right, got an unbagging. This came in this week. I ordered it. When did I order it? So look. I ordered it on the 13th of March and it came, no, 2 days ago, on the 22nd. So 11 days to get here. And this is from, how do you say it? Easy Deals? No, Everyday Deals. That's it, Everyday Deals. I always forget what that's called. So I saw somebody had this, so I thought I'm going to try them out. So it wasn't bad from order to get in here, just over a week. So get out. So I'll put that onto the side. And we'll do this one first. This one I got because it's just so darn cute. So darn cute, people. That's it. I didn't know I was going to get into it then. This was $5.59. I don't know how much that converts into, but look. Here's a Yickle elephant. Let me see if I can move it the other way. The canvas is like painter's canvas, you know, artist canvas, that's what I was trying to think of. So there you go. Can you see what it is yet? Can you see what it is yet? Anybody that knows me will know I love elephants. So you have got literally the basic kit, a couple of cheap baggies, the wax, a single placer pen and a boat. But this is literally all you need to start. You don't need anything else. I always say that. People worry that they haven't got all the right things. But that is literally, that's all I used to use for months when I first started. And I used to cut the corners off the bags and hold them together with a hairband. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We'll have a look at the canvas. Come on, Cal, get your act together. So I love the fact that on the schematic they done that. They have lined the numbers up with the numbers on the bag. I can't fault that because that's so much easier, because it's nothing worse than you have number 5 on the bag and it's number 7 or 8 on the canvas. That's where I get mixed up. Being dyslexic, I'll start putting the 5 on the, getting them all mixed up. But they're all letters and numbers, and they look, doesn't look like there's anything on there that's going to get us confused. So there's 23 colours, and as you can see, it is crystal clear. It's poured glue, and it looks beautiful. You see how clear that is? Absolutely lovely. I'm going to enjoy this little snack. So don't worry about these creases. This is just in the paper because this is quite thin. So you can always pull it up and then spend time just doing that. But I ain't got the patience. Some people use a ruler. But yeah, but I do like this one. He's so cute. Look at the colours. Should we have a look at the colours then? Is that all X's up there? Yeah. Practice multi-placing up there then, Cal. We all know I'm practicing with my multi-placing. Right. These look like the good bags as well. So we have, how many colours did I say we had? 23 colours. Oh look, I've just noticed. They've got the colour and the symbols there. Then they put the symbols and the DMC numbers. So you've got the DMC numbers as well. Oh, even better. So if you decide you want to keep them, you can. So we have got a yellow, And it's got the canvas number on as well, is it? Is that the canvas number on your bags? Yeah, see, W549, W549, and they wrote it on each bag as well. So if they separated, you'd still know. I've not seen that. Usually you just have it on the bag, you know, on the outside bag. So that's gone an extra step, hasn't it? I don't know what the 122507 is though. Maybe that's their coding. Anyway, so we got a green, like a limey green, a brown, a peach. Got some light peachy colours. That's like, oh, that's beautiful peach that is. Some brown, light brown, some nice pink. That's like a teal, like a very latte sort of colour. Another limey green, a blue, burgundy, a grey, a browny grey. That's like a pinky red. No, sort of, yeah, pinky red, burgundy, orange. I don't know, it's like a reddy orange. Red, black. I'm saying that's black, is it? 310, yeah. Sometimes I get mixed up with the dark navy, the 939s. Brown and another dark brown. So this is going to be a nice colourful picture. Should we measure it? What does it say it is? It says it's 30 by 40, but I'm saying that's probably the canvas size. Looking at it, but we'll have a look. Yeah, 30. Okay, what have you got here? Just under 30. I'm trying to get, see, can you see? My tape measure's knackered there, look. It's halfway down the metal thing. So it's just a fraction under the 40. So the actual drill field is 24 3/4 by 34.5. So it's still a nice size, but you just got to remember it's the canvas size they're advertising, not the drill size. But I think that's a cute little one for $5.99. That's not bad. So it's only, what's that, £4, something like that. I don't know. So I'm going to move that to the side. So I got that, and then this is not diamond painting, but everybody knows that I'm doing the Anything a Mermaid Along challenge here on YouTube, and I'm also advertising it for everybody that wants to go to join my Facebook group, Mermaid Crafts, where we're showing everything we do, and you can enter into a challenge and there's a little prize at the end. I'll put the eye up there and it'll tell you all about it. So on my lives on a Sunday, we have certain people like Danielle, Pippa Brown, Tree Zaddy, Rachel Ray, another one, Duck Off, that are big enablers. And since I've been putting this challenge up, and it's because it's any craft related you can do, they've been putting up all different links to different mermaid things. So we've had loads of different stuff, latch work, cross stitching, diamond painting, colouring, everything's gone up on this site. So I bought loads, but I thought I'm going to do a bit of enabling. So this is again off this company, and this is a 14 count stamped cross stitch. Now I've never done stamped cross stitch, only once when I very first started, and it was a little tiny thing, and it was like over to the side, and it was not level with the holes, and it was a complete nightmare and put me off. But somebody recommended this brand from this company, and this was $11.33. Look how cute that is. It's from Joy Sunday. Somebody said Joy Sunday cross stitch pre-printed fabric were really good. So this is the Little Mermaid and the Seahorse. How romantic is that? Look how cute. How cute is that? That's flipping gorgeous, isn't it? I absolutely loved this picture when I saw it. And for the money, I couldn't grumble. So should we have a look at it? I've never seen one like this up close, so only on YouTube. But I think one of the ladies is doing one of these for the challenge as well. Not particularly, I don't think it's this one, but one very similar. So we have your chart. Yes, so they break it down. So you've got a 4-piece chart, and it's like it's shiny, so it's like waterproofed. So if you happen to drop your coffee on it, it's not going to wreck it. So that's quite good. So I think this and that cost me £21 because I think it was $9 something for postage and packaging, which was fine. So, oh my gosh, look at all these threads. Oh, and there's a speciality thread there, look. So we've got 2 needles. Look at these colours, guys. Guess what we're going to be living the life of? I think there's a lot of this blue. But isn't that going to be gorgeous? I'm just smelling. See if there's any smell to it, but there isn't any smell to it. Just floss smell. But look at this. So we've got that side. Look at them bright colours. And that side. And I like these cards, and especially now since Jessie from Mislaid Pages showed me how to get a thread off. You literally get your needle, pick one thread, pull this back down, pull it, and one thread will come up so it'll stay on here. So if you don't want to bobinate them all, you don't have to. And I hate bobinating, so that'll suit me down to the ground. So should we open it? As I say, first time I've ever personally seen one like this. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than what I did. Is it 14? I think it's 14 count, and that's what I think I asked for. Yeah, 14 count, and it says it's a 44 by 36 size. I think that must be the, yeah, it's from that line to that again, so it's not true. So the actual cross stitching field, and at the end of that is 36.5 by 29. So again, just take into consideration that the drill field, well, the cross stitching field is smaller, and that it's the whole piece that's 44 by 36 on the Joy Sunday cross stitch, which is fine by me. I have no problem with that. So they've got your symbols down here. If I show you. So you've got your symbols, your DMC numbers there, because we all know that DMC numbers are the same as they are on diamond painting. So that helps. It gives you an idea what the colours are. So the symbols look really clear, don't they? Sorry, I couldn't hold it then. Yeah, I can't see a problem with any of that. And then they've got your back stitching colours there, which is great. But look how clear, and how there's nothing that's gone over the squares. Can you see? There is nothing. Like one I did, like here, look, it's smack on. 4 dots are hitting each corner. When I did it on that little one, it was like halfway across the next square. So you had to literally guess. So with this one, you aren't wondering how, you haven't got to count it. You haven't got to count the stitches. That's the point of this one. You can just fill in all the pink, fill in all the burgundy, fill in all the orange. Whereas the most cross stitches that I do, I'll show you on this one. See, that one's printed for anybody that doesn't know, and that's one that's not. So this one, I have to count each stitch on that one. Let me give you a coloured one, show you better. Yeah, this one. So every colour change, you have to count how many you're doing, and then work out where you need to put your next colour. So this is, on these you tend to make a lot of well, not a lot of mistakes, but If you're not concentrating, you can make a lot of mistakes. That's what I was going to say. So some days you have good days, some days you have bad days. But on this one, you don't have to worry about that. So I think this is... The fabric's a lot stiffer though. It's quite really stiff. Whereas I'm used to working with soft 14 count Aida. But that's fine. That's fine. So if you put it in a frame, it will hold it rigid. So I really like that. It's just so cute. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think it's any good? So I said this is $11 something. I think it's well worth it. To get the whole kit, your threads, everything included in it. I can't grumble. I cannot grumble. So, would you have a go at one of these? As I said, I didn't think I'd go and have another go, but the enablers have, enabled. Sorry, I had to have a sip of tea. And then, what do you think of Ellie the elephant? Would you buy Ellie the elephant? She's so cute. Well, it could be a boy, it could be a he. So cute, but I do. So, I'll let you go. So don't forget that's from Everyday Deals. But I will say something. Just make sure, I can't guarantee that they don't do unlicensed work. You need to research that yourself. I couldn't find anything with this on that came up on Tinai or anything. So, you know, and I mean, you can research it yourself and still get caught out. But hopefully everything's okay. So I'm going to say, if you liked it and you've not subscribed, maybe you fancy staying around, we'd love to have you. The old button's down below. Next to it's the old bell. Ring the ding-a-ling-a-ling and that'll tell you when I go live, which is on Sunday, or when I put videos like this up, which is a few times a week. My social media's down below if you want to have a chat or drop me a comment. I love to have comments, so please, you know, fill me in what you like. My Patreon is details are down there if you fancy helping the channel out and finding out what goes on behind the scenes. But yeah, everything you want is down in the descriptions. I'll put the link in for this in the descriptions as well. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for stopping by. Take care, look after yourselves, and most importantly, please stay safe. Love you all.